Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play music in Alexa Echo Dot via Bluetooth. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, access your Amazon Alexa app on your mobile phone. Now right over here from this home screen, you have to tap on this more icon in the bottom right. Tap on the settings icon afterwards. Scroll a bit. Tap on music and podcasts. Scroll again, and now you will find Apple Music here in the link new services option. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you can see you need an active Apple Music subscription to use with Alexa. It requires you have to go back and check out whether you have taken or not. Go ahead, simply tap on this get 1 month of free music. Simply get the subscription for your Apple Music. Once you have completely taken that, you're gonna come over here and simply link your Alexa with your Apple Music first. Once you have done so, you're gonna scroll down the panel and go ahead, turn on the Bluetooth of your device. Simply wait for your Alexa Echo Dot to be detected on your device. Make sure you have turned on Bluetooth on your Amazon Alexa Echo Dot as well. Connect and pair and connect with your mobile device right over here, and then you can simply choose to play Apple Music's playlist on your Amazon Alexa Echo Dot, just likewise over there. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.